Earth Day 2025. One planet. One future. Act now. What is Earth Day? Earth Day, observed every year on 22nd April, is a global movement dedicated to environmental protection. First celebrated in 1970, it has become a powerful reminder that we share one planet and it's our responsibility to protect it. Earth Day 2025 brings renewed urgency to address today's growing environmental challenges. Earth Day 2025 theme: Planet vs. Plastics. The official theme for Earth Day 2025 is Planet vs. Plastics. This campaign urges individuals and governments to eliminate unnecessary plastics, encourage eco-friendly packaging, and fight for a plastic-free future. Plastics pollute our oceans, harm wildlife, and infiltrate our food chain. It's time to take bold action. Climate change and urgency. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it's here. Glaciers are melting, forests are burning, and extreme weather is becoming common. Earth Day 2025 is a call to act swiftly and smartly to reduce emissions, switch to renewable energy, and support climate policies that protect life on Earth. The plastic crisis. Every year, over 400 million tons of plastic are produced, with a large portion ending up in landfills and oceans. From microplastics in our drinking water to animals dying from plastic waste, the crisis is real. Earth Day 2025 highlights the need to reduce, reuse, and recycle like never before. The role of youth. Young people are the heartbeat of Earth Day 2025. Across the globe, students and youth activists are raising their voices against environmental injustice. From school cleanup drives to climate strikes, the new generation is leading the green revolution with innovation, passion, and unstoppable energy. What individuals can do? Small changes can make a big difference. Reduce your plastic use, switch to reusable products, conserve water, plant trees, and ride a bicycle instead of driving. This Earth Day, make a personal commitment to live more sustainably. Your daily choices shape the planet's future. Role of technology in sustainability. Technology can be a game changer for the environment. From electric vehicles and solar panels to AI-powered farming and smart waste management systems, innovation is paving the way for a greener future. Earth Day 2025 celebrates these advancements and calls for further ecotech integration in everyday life. Global participation. Earth Day is not limited to one country or continent. It's a worldwide movement involving over 1 billion people across 190+ countries. In 2025, global citizens are organizing cleanups, educational campaigns, policy discussions, and artistic events to raise awareness and demand environmental justice for all. Corporate responsibility. Businesses play a crucial role in sustainability. Earth Day 2025 challenges companies to go beyond greenwashing and adopt real eco-friendly practices like reducing plastic packaging, cutting carbon emissions, and supporting circular economies. Conscious consumers can drive change by supporting brands that prioritize the planet. Looking ahead, the future we build. Earth Day 2025 is not just about one day, it's about the future we are building together. Let this be a turning point toward a cleaner, fairer, and greener world. Every voice matters, every action counts. Let's protect our only home, Earth, for ourselves, our children, and generations to come. Protect Earth. Your action matters. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more content like this.